Hello guys, I hope you're doing good. So today I want us to do something different. I want us to identify the best website you can do backtesting for free, right? So there's this website called GoCharting, all right, by the name GoCharting. So right here, I'll come to my browser right here. Allow me to come here, just a minute. Let's see this website. I'm going to show you how to come up, how to set a few things there. So right now, I've already done this one. Like, just get the first search, go chatting there. Then tap on this first link you see. On the first link, on what you can see there, you can see, from what you can see, let it open. My internet's a bit slow, but let it open so we can see how to go, how to search about it, how to check on it. Now, from here, you can see it's open. So the next thing you're supposed to do is to go to here on products here. Okay, we'll just click on products, then click on charts. All right, so you'll need to log in. You need to log in with your email. For me, I've already logged in, so it will just go direct. It'll go direct to the website direct. So it will open. Let it load up a little bit. So once it opens like this, and you can remove this one's just an ad, and remove it. And let me just now go full screen there. So from here, you can see that's open, yeah, and it's clean. You have everything, all the tools you need are up here. This is where you need to find your time frame. When you come here, intervals, tap here, you can see all the time frames here. If you want to use the monthly time frame, just press there and you can see it's on monthly time frame. You want to switch on the weekly time frame, it's here. It opens the weekly time frame. There you can see all these candles. These are the weekly candles here, as you can see there, right? So you can switch to, if you want the daily time frame, just let it load and it will open the daily time frame. If you want the what we call the 4 hours time frame, the same way, it will open the 4 hours time frame there. You can get your 4 hours time frame there. Let's check on 2 hours time frame. The same way, you see it switches on 2 hours time frame. And let's go to 1 hour. The same thing. You see, you can get all what you want. That minutes is there. 15 minutes. All the time frames they're open because there's some website that when you use, they don't open some minutes, some time frame they don't open. So this one we can see we're trying to test every time frame and it's opening, right? Now 3 minutes, it's opening. There we go. You can see. Then you have 1 minute the same way. So once you can see here, you can work with all the time frames. So you can choose your best time frame that you like. For example, if you are the guy, for me, like I like looking at the daily time frame as my daily bias of the day. Want to see what the daily time frame is doing. Then I'll drop on like 4 hours or the 1 hour. Mostly I work with the daily time frame. Then I'll go to 1 hour, then I go to 5 minutes, all right? Or if I'm using the 4 hours, I'll use if I change, I love using the daily, the 4 hours, the 1 hour, 15 and 5 minutes, for example. So if you want to choose your best time frames, you come here to a time frame. You see, if you love the daily, just come here to daily and tap on that love, all right? There's this emoji here. Then I love the 4 hours also. I love the 1 hour. I love the 15, 5 minutes, and the 1 minute. Why is it that I love these time frames? Okay. When I'm looking at the daily time frame as my higher time frame, I'll drop on 1 hour time frame as my lower time frame, all right? So this means that if I do analysis with the daily time frame, I'll take my entries on 1 hour time frame. And if I analyze on 1 hour time frame, I'll use the 5 minutes time frame. So you can see I can cooperate all this time frame and come to a solution on 5 minutes time frame. I can use the daily time frame to see the bigger picture. All right. Then I can drop on 1 hour time frame in terms of entry. And since the 1 hour time frame is still a bigger time frame, I can use it as now as my second bigger time frame. Then I can take my entries on 5 minutes, or else I can use the 4 hours time frame as my higher time frame. Then once I check everything on 4 hours as my higher time frame, I'll drop on 15 minutes, okay, and use the 15 minutes as my lower time frame for entry. The same way, I can use the 15 minutes as my high time frame, and I can take my entries on 1 minute. So that's how I relate to these time frames, and I love them. This is the time frame I use. So you can see the moment you like them, you click on the love emoji. All of them, they align here. This means that these are the best time frame you can be using. So every time you're looking for your analysis, you just come here, you check on the daily time frame, for example. You open the daily, you can see the price looks more bullish. Then you can drop on 1 hour time frame. Once you're at the 1 hour time frame, it's the retracement, and you can drop on 5 minutes if you want to trade, and to drop on the lower time frame. So that's how you relate to the time frames. But I don't know, this will depend with the time frames you feel comfortable working with. Then what else I love about this, even the pairs that are here, all right, just tap here and you can type any pair you want, for example, GPP USD, like there, and you can choose any broker you want. Unfortunately, the downside of this, they only provide the Oanda as the best one. These are the brokers. I don't know who are these brokers, but they don't have things like FXM, Forex.com, 8cap, Pepperstone. They don't have those ones, but at least they have Oanda, and Oanda is the best. So already you got the first best choice with you here. So you can tap here on Oanda and it will open. Look at that. It will open, and it's a 5 minute time frame. So I can tap on 4 hours here and I can change the time frame, and you can see I already got my pairs there. I want to check the Euro USD. Just tap on there, Euro USD, choose your broker you love, open there. You can see it's still open, and it can go to any time frame you want. Let's take on gold, for example. I'm just giving you a variety of options to choose from. Only gold provider under alone. Open gold there. You can see it's there. Gold is there, and even you can change even the time frame and go to a monthly time frame, and you still have the same picture there. I think that. So you can be able to see, to make choice of your best pairs that you love here by just checking here, all right? And if you are the guy who love using the indicators, example, you love indicators, you can come, you see here, this looks like a Zatulia. Just tap here, it will open, all right? You can choose all things you want. For example, you've been told the candles, there are all the types of candle they provide here. This is what they can provide according to them. So right here, you can choose what you want to work with, okay? Then when you come here, volume, if you're the guy who love volume, volume is, let me open the volume. You see, if you have the eye, it means that it's open. If you tap the eye, it means that you have closed everything. You don't have everything on your chart. So anytime you're using this app and you end up not seeing the candle, just come here, right, tap here, and tap on this eye. It will open all the candles there. Then if you are the person who like using the volume, right, you can just tap on this eye and the volume will open and reflect down here. But since you need to adjust the setting, because initially my background was black, so I changed it to white, and I'll show you how I did it. So this volume here was so clear in black background, but since it's white, so it's not that clear. And you can come here if you love using the candles, you can have them there, the shooting star, whatever you love, it can appear here, right? You can choose the color, for example, the shooting star, which color do you want to see it? In which color? You can tap here on the colors, and you can choose any color you want, all right? Choose any color you want and it will be there. So right here, this is where you see that. And if you want to change the background, come here. All right, you see here on this tool here, just tap here. Let me first proceed with this one. We have talked about the pairs here. We have talked about the time frame right here, your best time frames here. So we're coming into charts, all right? The charts here. Tap here and you can choose all you love, yeah? What do you love? If you love using the candle there, just tap there, I love, and it will reflect here. You love the candles. If you love the lines, you see, this one is the line. It's like you had the candles and you use the line, for example, tap here, and you only have the line, clean line, no candle. But if you want to go back to your candles, you just tap here, you tap here, and you get back your candles. And let's see that what else people love. Hollow candles, right? Just tap here as your favorite, and it will appear here. You want to see how hollow candle looks like? Just tap here, and you'll see how they look like. They look a bit different. Are you seeing that? They look a bit different. Now, tap here again. Let's see. So you can, if you like Haikanashi candle, people love using Haikanashi. So tap here and you'll have your Haikanashi candles. So for example, and remember when you're tapping on the screen, you are saving them. When if you are tapping the love button, for example, let me come back here. All this that I'm tapping on the love emoji, all of them, they're aligning themselves here. You see when I tap here, for example, this one, you'll see them add themselves here. So let me just not save them because I'm not going to use them. Let me talk of Haikanashi, the work of Haikanashi. It's here. If I tap on it, you can see all the candles they change. This one, it helps you to see the volume and the trend clearly without noise. You see, anytime you see green, these are bias. Anytime you see red, retracement, green bias. So you can see in this pair on a monthly time frame, gold bias, they've been dominating the market. So this one to only help you to see that. But if you want to go back to your candles, normal candles, just come here and tap on candles and get your candles back. So you can choose all this here. You can see you have imbalance here. You want to see some imbalance there, just tap there and wait here. You see now it's loading here and I need to get my we call it my internet is supposed to be very fast. So my internet is a bit slow, so it's not identifying those ones, but you can clearly see that all these tools are working. All these tools are working here. You see, cluster chart is not supported on monthly time frame. So I need to drop on like let's see if you can drop on 4 hours time frame. Sorry, you can see the moment you change the time frame, what you get is that order flow on Oanda is available when you purchase the current premium. So for them, they want to purchase the premium for you to start using those clusters, so that they can open them for you. So I can see the volumes here reflecting down here. So let me switch it off first. There, volume is gone. The screen is clean. So you see, they want us to at least to see imbalance. You're supposed to have paid for it. Pay to see it on the lower time frame. Let's see. You see, you are being told at least you must have paid, you be on the premium program. So this one is, we don't need it right now. So we'll just go back to our candles. No more candles there. Now, what else is here? You can see here, compare. Come here. And you can, if you have something that you want to compare with the whatever, any pair you have, just come here and choose whatever you want to compare. If you come here, for example, sorry, if you come on this one, you love using the what you call the indicators, yeah? The oscillators, just come here and choose your best oscillator. For example, we start from here, your favorite. No, like favorite is 0 because I've not taken any pairs or any indicators my favorite. So we come here on these patterns here. You can see candle patterns. You can choose what you love. For example, if you love all bullish, do this, and you tap on it. Let's see what happens here. It shows you all the bullish candles. You're seeing that. So you are able to see all the bullish area. Okay, this is just an ad you can remove. You are able to see all the bullish areas, bullish, haram. These are the indicators here. If you are the guy who love indicators, most of the time it will show you all those indicators. Are you seeing that? You see bullish. If you want to learn about the indicators and their name, just come here. Tap on that. Then you see bullish haram. How does it look like? It's here. You want to see bullish hammer? It's here. What do you have? Bullish engulfing pattern here. So it will give you all the indicators you want to know. If you want to learn about the candles, it will tell you all that you want to know. But remember, all candles, they don't just work on their own. You need to have a solid strategy behind you to help you understand how to work with this kind of information. So come back here. So that was from here we had that bullish, all bullish. We can take bearish engulfing, all right? Let's bearish engulfing there. So if you have that, let me first switch off one thing here, remove this one. and bearish engulfing. So if you come here, we just want to look for, okay, the early indicator is still on. I think I need to switch it off. I don't know. Let me come back here. Bearish engulfing. Bearish engulfing. Yeah, most of these candles, I don't use them, so that's why you can see them here. All bearish. Let's see. All bearish. Come here, all right? Come here and just switch off the eye. You see this, the eye? Just tap on it like that. You close. All the bearish engulfing, they should close. So let's see. Let's see if we can close. Sorry. There's a lot of stuff here. So allow me to first to remove some things here. Bearish engulfing. No, all bullish. Eye off. Closed. Now bearish engulfing. Let's see, all bullish off. Okay, we have two, so I have to remove one. Delete there. Let me first delete all these things, man, before we go back to where we have started, yeah? Delete all of them so that we can have a clear chart like that. So we come back here, and we are talking about which one? Yeah. All bearish engulfing, all bearish, all bullish, it's your choice. You want bearish engulfing, just tap on that, like that. It will appear here, and it needs to show you all the engulfing candles. Come here, you see here, bearish engulfing candle, engulf pattern. Okay, I don't trade patterns, but you guys who trade patterns, you already know what is there. So it'll try as much as it can to indicate those levels. You see that one, bearish engulfing, like this one here, bearish engulfing. I think there's a red candle, and the next one has to close red below it. Okay, again, where is it? Bearish engulfing like that, you see the first candle, then the next one closes below. But I think you need also to do some adjustment. That's why you can see here. You see here you have the settings, and you can come here and adjust whatever you want to adjust. So I'll just switch off the eye, put off the eye so that I go back to my normal chart. So you can see all these candles are here. If you love the momentum, you love average range. For example, let's see the average range, what it tells us. You can see below here, you're seeing there's a line here. Yeah, a line here that you use to work with. If you're the guy who love working with the ATR, all right, ATR, it helps you to understand the volatility of price, right, in the market, ATR. So just once it's here, I can just, what I need is just to delete here and it disappear. Again, what else do we have here? Most of these things, order flow, yeah? If you're the guy who love order flow, let's say, I'm sure order flow, it might ask you for payment. I don't know. Let's try to see delta. If it will reflect, because I think those are the premium services. Where is it? My goodness. So, maybe it's in black, it's in white, because my chart, my background is also white, so I can't see it, but I'm sure it's here. You see, it's trying to reflect, it's there. But I think because of my background, so right now it can't reflect there. What else do you need? Oscillators, if you have oscillators, you can, choose what you want according to oscillators. Let's see, boring, I don't know, boring candle. What does that mean? Let's try this and see. You see, trying to reflect here. So I don't know how to work with these other indicators here, but all of them, they are there. So you can see this overlay. If you want to boiling band, these are just the indicators that will work along with your market. So if you know how to use the Bollinger Bands, all of them, all you need is here. All you need is here. So that's enough. I can explain about that. You can come here and make the choice of what you like. Now, what next here? This way, if you want to take a screenshot, maybe a picture, just tap here, right? And it will take your image of the screen. You see it's taking the screen, and there it's taken. So if it's taken and you want to share maybe to your Facebook, Twitter, Telegram, or whatever the platform you want to, you can just tap there and it will transfer to wherever you want. So that one is there. You can use it if you want. So And if you want to download it, it's here. Tap here and download the picture. If you're not okay, just tap here, get out, and you remove it there. Now, the most important point is here. To analyze, yeah? You want to get now the main tool, the most important tool in this platform. The reason we are here. Despite everything I've talked about, the most important is this one, replay button. Replay buttons, the replay button, it helps you to be able to understand what the market is doing. For example, if you want to backtest, the importance of backtesting is the replay button. Come here, right? Tap on it like that, and then you'll see there's a plus sign on your mouse, on that on the screen. You can see it. You can already see it. So even if you're using the mobile phone, you still see it. So there's no difference. So tap wherever you want to start backtesting from. For example, you can tap here like that, double click, and you can see the price remains to be bullish. And you can start analyzing. If you're the guy who love, like for me, I'm a smart money concept guy, so I'll take this as my inducement there. For example, I'm just giving you an example, inducement, and where's my supply? I can see down here, I can see a supply here, right? So definitely, if you are, without going into details, I can take my buy position here. For example, here, I put my stop loss below there. Remember, this is just an example to show you what is happening here, and maybe I want to buy, and I can tap on replay button. It's here like that, and it will start going down. You see that? And if it's very slow, if you feel that it's very slow, what you need is to just adjust a little bit, yeah, a little bit there. You see, it will go very fast. If you want to, for it to go very slow, you tap there. You see, it will go very slow. You want to add speed there. You'll see it will change the speed. Are you seeing that? And it saves on time as well. So it will depend how much details do you want to see. You see, like right there, the trades, like it's activated, and you're waiting to see if the price will go up because your supply has been tapped. Will the price go up? So that's how you work with this tool. And if you feel that it's still too slow, just take it to the other end like that, and it will run very fast. Are you seeing that? Very, very fast. Very, very fast. Yeah, very, very fast. So you see the moment it's working like that already, you can see how it's moving, yeah? So once you have that with you, this is where the price is right now. This is where the price is right now, and you can see if you are targeting this previous side, yeah, already hit your TP. You already hit your TP. So skills very important. Skills very important, and you're welcome to join our team. All right. Can use the link. I'll pin the link on the description where you can join our Telegram community. And if you like to join our membership, you'll find my number there, and you can later join. Text me through WhatsApp. All right. So guys, this is how you can use this tool. You can take any pay you want. For example, you can see you can tap here, just double click here, it cuts, and you can have there, and you do your analysis smoothly, very well. So I'll talk about the downside of using this platform. There's some few things that it does not have, which maybe you're used to see them on TradingView. One thing you don't have is this, yeah? For example, let me just pause this one. Let's say that this is your breakout structure. You're drawing here a breakout structure, okay? You're drawing here a breakout structure there. That's your boss, and your inducement is here. Example, use the inducement. There's your inducement there. Now, when you have your inducement there, maybe, yeah, maybe, let's just say maybe this is your supply. I'm just giving an example, that's your supply, right? So you want to mark your high. You know, we like putting a dot like here, something like this here. So you will see that this platform, it does not have those things here. But you can use, I like using, I always use this box because I'm forced to use it because this is the only way I can mark my highs and lows. I don't have where I mark the dots. Like if you go to TradingView, we have a tool called the, it's called, the name of that tool. It's not the pen, but the highlighter. Yeah, it's called the highlighter. On this platform, we don't have the highlighter. So I use this box to highlight my positions, but still it works very well. The important point is to understand what you're doing there. So you can see if we have our price there, and you mark your levels, your highs and your lows, and you want to see how the price will react on those levels. Yeah, on those levels, you want to see how the price will react on those levels. So you can have those levels with you, and from there, so the price can go where it goes. So I want to talk about something else. Yeah, let me now cut this one off. And once you tap, remember, once you have this and you cut it off and you tap here on this X, it goes back to the original area. And if you want to delete all these things that are here, for example, let me just have something like this here. You want to delete, you need to come here on your left, then scroll down, completely down, then you'll see this box. Come here, and if you do here, you delete only the drawings, and if you delete this one, you delete all the indicators we have, and if you delete this one object, it will delete everything. All right, so if you tap here, just here, you can see disappear, and this ad will keep on coming here because you see anything for free, you don't get anything for free. So you get these ads here to disturb you. Just remove them like that. So from here, I'll talk about the tools on the left here. So you can tap here. You see you're the guy. You can see here, oh, these are the tools you want to use. For example, if you like using the pointer, you can see it will always be like that. That cursor will look like that. And if you like using this, you see, it goes with the information. It rates the candles, the highs and the lows and the volume there. So I don't like using this one. It carries a lot of information. You can use this crosshair. It's just a cross, a C plus sign. If you want to use the crosshair and it carries along with it information there. Again, you can see there. So come on this one. You see, it highlights. It works with the color. It highlights everything there. And it's good when you're doing something on the screen, and maybe it helps people to see very well the zones you're targeting there. So what else do you have here? The dots. If you're the guy who use the dot, I don't like the dots. You see, it's not even visible. I can't even see it because the screen, my background used to be black, but I changed to white, so the dot is white. That's why I'm not seeing anything here. You see, when I come on the screen, it does not appear, but when I go back here, I see it. So I'm used to working with this one. Now, right here, you can come on drawings, tools. Here, you can come here and choose your best tools. For example, tap here, and you can choose everything. So you see, for me, all the tools I love are here. And when you highlight, you tap the love emoji, they come on this line here. They highlight themselves here. They always come here. So you can choose all that you want there. For example, I want to add something on my tools, for example. Where? So what do I need? I don't think with the same thing I need, but you have all these tools here. For example, the long position, it's here. When you tap on it there, you tap here, it targets here. If you want to target the long position there. And if you want to target the short position, just come here. And you see, once you tap here, right, tools, short position, scroll down. Short position, it means to sell. Tap there and have your levels. Like that, you're targeting the profit side. This, it indicates the stop loss side, all right, the stop loss side. I'll later come and talk about how you count pips and the other topics there. Make sure that you're dropping all you need on the comment section so that I can cover them. So all these things, they'll appear here, your favorite tools, and if you're on the patterns, you're the guy who uses the price action, the patterns here, you can have them here. If you're the guy who love using the gun box, okay, for me, all these tools, I just love gun box alone. These are the things I don't use them. You can see here, you can come here and you can have a couple of things here. Here again, choose what you love here. All what you love are always indicated here, right? Are all indicated here. So you come here and you can choose all the tools you want. Yeah? All the tools you want, then just highlight the love so that they can be saved on your favorites. If you want the text, if you want the emojis that are here, you want the stickers, okay? Stickers, all of them, they will appear here. You want the icon, yeah? All the icons, everything you need, yeah? It's here. So you can see all things are here. And the moment you highlight the love, they save themselves here. All of them, they save themselves here. So you just need to scroll. If you want to use something, for example, you want to use this one, just scroll down and you can draw it on the screen. If you want to use something like to count, you see, you want to make your countings in terms of pips, the range, how many days, it took for this pair to move from one distance to another. You can just get them here. See this one, just highlighters, you see, those are, all the tools are here. You need, all the informations are here. So this one is a very nice tool to use. And I'll say that the moment you get used to this, you can start doing your back testing each and every day. But if you feel like you want to go premium, you can come here and upgrade so that you can get more. There are more other tools that you need that maybe they are not here. You can get them there. And here is where you get your all the information. You'll get them just in this platform. So what you need is just to go to your setting. For example, you want to change your background. For me, you see this one is white right now. Earlier it was black. You see, but up here, it will go black. So earlier it was like this. And for me, I love working at least black is just, for me, I think white works better for me. So if I do this, you see now it's white, everything is black, everything's there. So if I bring the volume back, you'll see how it looks like. Yeah, I talked about the volume earlier. You can see it's here. Now this volume are here. And if you want to make them more visible, you can just adjust the setting and you get them. For example, I've talked about a tool, a certain tool here, which was white, pointer dot. You see this dot. You can see now if I come to dot, this is how it appears because it's white. And when my background is white, I cannot see it. I'm unable to see it. So you'll see that these tools are here, all of them are here. So for me, I love working the white background. So I came back here to setting and I just tap on this. Don't touch anything else here. Just tap on that black. When it comes in, choose the white color. I changed to white because I'm much very comfortable working the white color there. So guys, I think this website is going to help you to be able to understand how the market moves in terms of backtesting for free. And if there's anything else I've left out, make sure that you drop on the comment section. Make sure that you subscribe, like, share, and leave your suggestions on the comment section so that when I'll try my best as I can to read your comments and to respond as soon as possible. If there's anything else you'll want me to touch on, just drop your comment and let me know. So it's your boy Mr. FX. Let's catch up in the next video. Thank you.